Hey my loves, if you're looking for a nutritious everyday green smoothie, this is it. I always start off with my spinach because it's a great source of iron, frozen mangoes, frozen bananas, ginger because it's great for digestion, cucumber is very hydrating and also a good source of fiber. Lime, I can literally use a whole lime because for one, it's an antioxidant, it's high in vitamin C. It also aids iron absorption, which is good for someone like me who has low iron. Also promotes healthy skin. You can get creative with your liquids. I like to add almond milk, spring water and coconut water. That's just been my favorite combination. And then last, I end with flax seeds, which is also great for digestion. This smoothie, I can literally drink this smoothie every single day. It's just so refreshing and I definitely feel more energetic once I drink it, and I always have leftovers. So sometimes I will make one batch and then I will have some left over for the next morning. I'm gonna leave all the ingredients in my description. I'm also gonna leave the link to my blender, my mason jars and my glass straws because everyone loves a glass straw, like come on. But I hope you enjoyed this video guys, and I will see you in my next one.